I've been doing the usual morning rituals, well, maybe not morning, more like afternoon, of cleaning up in the kitchen, doing dishes and brushing my teeth and such. I'm gonna go hang out with Moss, drink a cup of tea. Look at this stuff. Isn't it beautiful? I love plants like this. Wow. I think it's amazing. Color too.
Hvad skal du gøre med de der tacos der?
Jeg tror bare, det bliver meget simpelt. Bare... Øj, pas på. Jeg tror, det bliver meget simpelt. Jeg tror bare, det bliver noget hakket oksekød med noget Tex-Mex, og så nogle tortillas stegt på panden ved siden af, og så er der også bare salsa, creme fraiche, syltede jalapenos, majs fra dåse, løs majs. Ja, jeg tror, det er det.
Det er herligt.
Jeg skal også lige tage mig sammen til at gøre det. Til at lave det. Jeg skal også lige tage mig sammen til at lave det. Jeg vil bare sløv i dag.
Jeg vil gerne hjælpe dig.
Yeah. I've just been hanging out in the kitchen, cleaning up, making it nice for the next person who comes in here. And it's just a bit of their stuff to clear up, but I help them do the dishes. Now I'm going back. I think I'm gonna start cooking some food soon too. Maybe hang out with my neighbor Jake or Moss first. We'll see. Alright guys, I've retreated to my own quarters. I'm getting ready to make some taco now. Oh, I forgot the spice. Tex-Mex. But I got everything. I'm gonna make it in here and just relax, watch something on the computer. Hey, let's go. Hey. Good morning guys, a bunch of developments already. I got paid and I paid Dion back like 90% of what I owe him. I have a few extra expenses, so I'm holding on to the last 1,000 krona. I'm gonna pay him back next month, but that also means next month I'm gonna be able to start saving up, just in general, saving up for the purpose of having a bit of money to, you know, just a rainy day fund, a food fund. I just said goodbye to Yes, he's chilling under the tree there. It smells amazing in this garden. You guys don't understand. This is a nice part of the commune. But yeah, I said goodbye to him. Now I'm gonna go get on, go equip my backpack and drive, what is that, like some 60 kilometers, and then I'm gonna go watch Jason this weekend. Yeah, just hanging out with Jason. Check this out. beautiful out here. It smells amazing. It's very nostalgic. It's really motivating in terms of living outdoors, seeing stuff like this. Well, I'm almost there, and even more good news. Not only have I paid my debts back almost completely, but I got a letter from the post office that my second Lush package has in fact arrived. So, nice. Very happy with that. I just have 7 days to pay the customs fee and pick it up. And I will essentially have everything that I set up to gather before I was ready to head out. So I'm basically ready to head out. I just gotta pick up that package at some point while I'm in Copenhagen. I'm going in there now to watch Jason over the weekend. But yeah, we're almost at the finish line, guys. The journey can, well, I mean, it's been continuing. It's just been a little less eventful. But the journey proper can continue, you know? Because this journey is about living outdoors, living nomadically. It's not about staying in the same spot for too long, doing the same things. You know, when I'm out traveling about, I have a rule for myself that at most I stay in an area for 3 days and then I have to move on. It's a great device to kind of force you to experience more different things and see more of the world as well. And isn't that what it's all about? Guys, every time I come to this place, I always think, man, I need to head down that road one day, have a grand adventure. Look at it, man. It's like out of a Tolkien's universe story. Well, let's keep. Guys, I don't know what's up with today. I got stopped in the forest by a forest worker. He was like slamming the brakes on this little forest road, like, finally I caught you. And I was just like friendly and smiling and receptive, and I was just like, oh, sorry, I didn't know I wasn't allowed to ride the electric unicycle in here, and oh, I didn't know I wasn't allowed to listen to music. I'll make a new route, don't worry about it. And then I'm like, feeling in a bad mood, I'm like, let me have a cigarette. So I take my helmet off, take my gloves off, put my my wheel over here by this bench, and then just as I do that and I'm about to light a cigarette, I just took out the cigarette. I'm about to light it while driving, and I see the cops, and I'm like, fuck, dude. Let me just go to this bench and smoke this cigarette instead. Let's not challenge fate today. Let's just take a little break, and then let's continue. Hopefully the rest of the journey is gonna go a little easier. Check out this giant hill. Maybe one of the biggest I've seen. Let's see if the wheel can't handle it. It's not overheated yet. Oh shit, I think we're doing it. Whew. This is the temperature. Oh wow, yeah, it climbed. Oh, it's shooting up. Oh damn. Look at that. I got all the way up here. Look how beautiful of a vista we got. Wow. Up here would be a great spot for camping. Just look at all this. Let's keep going a little further. I want to head all the way up to the top. It was a pretty aggressive scale. I wasn't sure if it could handle the ankle. It's only the high speed version. But I guess I don't have much in my backpack right now. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's another peak over there. But this is the precipice. Oh wow, look at this vista. Wow. Whew. Imagine sleighing down here when it's in the winter, when it's been snowing. Look at all that forest, man. So many nice spots to hide. The edge of Copenhagen, huh? Wow. There's another peak over there. Let me just go check out this rock here. See what this is all about. See, up here would be like a prime spot for camping, for me at least. I know some people, they don't really want this type of attention that you get from putting your tent up here. It's not really ideal either. Oh, look over there. Looks like some foundation for an old Viking encampment. It probably is. Beautiful, huh? I guess this is just showing true north. Let's go have a cigarette down here. Ah, yeah. I'm almost there. I just kind of wanted to enjoy the vista, have a cigarette anyway. I can show you what I see, but I wish there was a way to get the feeling that I'm feeling across to y'all. Ah, it's beautiful. The smoke and some water break. Let's go. Let's check it out. Jules sewed on this what do you call it, Velcro. She sewed on the Velcro on this Trangia thing. So now I can put it on here. I can start collecting different stuff. I got a lot of real estate on these. Why not? Arrived in my chill spot for the weekend. I imagine I'm gonna be watching a lot of Avatar: The Last Airbender and just hanging out. I'm making myself some noodles. Just getting settled in. The moment he came in the door, he was like, "You wanna play dinosaur game?" And we immediately start playing the dinosaur game. I'm just out here taking a bit of a break. Got a soda too. Gonna be babysitting all weekend, but Matcha's out shopping right now. She bought candy and all kinds of food. It's not gonna be an issue. We're gonna have a good time. The weather is great. I decided to go shop. I'm gonna go buy some new socks. I got mismatched socks and I'm running low. I keep losing socks. Well, I don't keep losing socks, but socks keep getting lost in this commune. I hang up a certain amount of pairs, and the same amount of pairs that are there, they're done drying. So yeah, I just took myself a nice little summer ride, well, spring ride, I guess, through Elverston. Har du ikke set sådan en før?
Det tror jeg ikke. Hvad er det? Han kan bakke! Det var da bare flot, hva'?
Guys, I went to go buy some socks because I'm all out of socks. But I also got some underwear because I remember this company. I used to exclusively wear their underwear. They make great quality stuff. I thought it was just a whatever brand, but it's stuck around all this time. So there's probably a good reason. It's the best underwear I've ever had. Now I got a 5-pack and I got 4 good socks as well.
Spis ordentligt. Jason. Ikke.
Du skal spise ordentligt, Jason.
Okay. Nu tager jeg det her.
Salam og god aften til dig, mine ærede ven. Kom tættere på. Hvor fedt. Lidt for tæt. Sådan. Velkommen til Hyperabad. Byen, som er fuld af mystik og trylleri. Og de fineste varer på den side af Jordanfloden, den side